We built a couple blinds 2 weeks ago, and here we are putting one out to the field. We've got Todd there helping, my brother Barry there walking by helping, my wife Shirley is recording, and I'm driving the tractor. So it's a old Allis-Chalmers, I believe it's a 170 model, and we use bolt-on pallet forks to put that screw onto the bucket, and then you can lift with them. And when you've got a long bucket, which that is abnormally long, and like 5 foot of blind out on past the end of the bucket, it gets very bouncy and